Just woke up this beautiful morning. Later we're going to take a look at this one. It's smoked a bit, so I think the oil injection doesn't work like it should. And it's still morning. The boat is shading the sun panels a bit. I was checking the charge controller and it says 3 amp charging. So when we have all this power, we're going to test the toaster. I want to know how much the toaster is taking. We can take. Right now we have 38 amp hours less than full charges batteries. We're gonna take one of those. I have to start the inverter. So we have 38 amp hours less than full charged batteries, and that is the 90% charge. So we start this one. Gonna power up. Here we have power on the outlets, and we take this in the toaster. And see how much less we're going to have. You can also see 55 amps out of the battery. And this one says 614 watts, 630. So stopped at 40, so I didn't find what causes all the smoke, but I did find out that she still leaks water, and I found out where she leaks water. Here you can see it's almost 30 centimeters of water in the engine room. It's lots of water there. The weather should shift at 5 o'clock, and it did. Like in 15 seconds, the wind shifted 180 degrees. So here I'm going to move the boat to the other side of the bay. This is a really nice spot with a flat area in front of the boat. But the trees is shading the sun late in the evening. So the spot we're going to is much better for evening sun. The only thing to remember now is to go around the shallow area behind the boat. don't know how this happened, but it did. Then after that the anchor was slipping. Here I'm going down in the engine room to look for the reason why the anchor line is slipping. And just like that it starts working again, so didn't need to do anything. If you get the boat some speed, it has some momentum and the wind will not blow it sideways. But when you stop the boat, the wind can take over again. So just hurry up. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.